Have YouTube ads woken you up at the end of a sleep story or interrupted your meditation? Well, join the club. Now, due to changes in YouTube, we have no control over stopping ads appearing at the end of videos, but there is a solution. Did you know we can use a sleep timer to stop this from happening? Let me show you how. When watching YouTube on a PC, click on the settings icon. Depending on where you live, you should see something like this. Click on the sleep timer. You can now select any time you like. As long as you do this before the video ends, you will not have any ads waking you up. For mobiles, tap on your screen, click the settings icon. If you have an Android phone, click on More. Click on the sleep timer.